Welcome back to another tutorial for the Paralives game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Paralives on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, you can either directly start your game by using the new game option, or you can go into settings to adjust your graphics. Now, from the settings page, go into video, and you will see various different options. Make sure that the correct resolution is chosen for your display unit within the screen resolution. Then underneath you have the environment texture quality. If you click on this option, you have 3 different presets. Try using the high preset first and see how your game performs. Make sure the frame rate cap is also set to unlimited, and the VSync option must be turned off until and unless you notice any screen tears within your game. At first, you can also try using the very high or the high object rendering distance, as well as the high value for the grass rendering as well. Now, with these settings, go ahead and start your game and see how your settings feel. If you notice some issues or low FPS, then you can go back into settings and now try reducing these presets by 1 step each. It is recommended to reduce the grass and object rendering distance before you reduce your environment texture quality. By following this pattern, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the Paralives game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.